What's this guy here? For $20, man. So Amazon. And here you go. So this guy here is a $20 Parrot Minidrone, and this one is the Hydrofoil, and this one is the Smart. I think it's the one with the down position sensing. So like I said, man, $20. You know, you can't beat that. And let's go ahead and look what's inside. Everything's still good. I mean, look, still brand new. So look at that. It has that carbon fiber sticker to it. That's cool. So that's new. And it comes with this piece here. So what else we got here in the box? I'm just probably gonna go ahead and this is the other piece, I think, from the box. So let's go ahead and check it out. Wow. So this is the little so this thing can go in the water. That's interesting. I mean, I looked at this before, but I said to myself, man, how much they're selling it for, you know? And back then I'm just like, I don't know. But yeah, so this is the basically this is kind of like the Mambo. The same thing, you got the bottom sensing, and then you also have the camera, so how it plays down. It's kind of like just like Tello, but this guy is we want to see if this thing's a waterproof. But this is the battery, 55 milliamp battery. Wow, that's small. Well, anyway, that's what it comes with. And it also comes with this I think flotation device. It looks like one of the legs of the boat here. And you got the screws. Wow. Let's go ahead and what else it comes with? Comes with this it look like the legs. Oh, I'm sorry, this look like from the foil that actually goes under the water to keep the thing boat look like it's flying over water without resistance, I guess. And what else it comes with? Wow, comes with the whole thing. Comes with this screwdriver, and it comes with this foil thing here, and it also comes with this. It's a bunch of pieces that comes with this thing. Well, I actually hit my camera. Yeah, look at this. So there's the piece that comes with it. And I got the cable, and I have this piece here. So I think this is for the foil. And wow, we got a bunch of stuff that comes with this thing. And then I have this. So everything here is for $20. Can't beat the price, man. You know, everything looks new. It's never been touched. I have a feeling they probably just someone that bought this, maybe Parrot is coming up with the second version. But for me, it's cool because I'm always in the water area and swimming pool and stuff like that. And it got instruction and stuff in there. So all this for $20. got this Tello. It's around my birthday. It's around March. With this props over here, and now it's already what, October 6th. Never been replaced. If you guys did not see my video, I did a lot of epic crashes on this guy here. It's still working properly. Amazing. So it's always better to get the original one, so I recommend it from everyone. That's one thing that you want to recommend it on. And now I have it here in the Mumbo Parrot drone, and oops, and go from here. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and go from here.